Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Vidon AI account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Vidon AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address vidon.ai and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be redirected to the home page of Vidon AI or the Vidon text to video AI. And over here guys, in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available over here for us. So let's click on sign in first, and then we'll be redirected to this page. So let's wait for it. And guys, this is the registration page. From over here, in order to log into your Vidon AI account, simply click on the login button available over here at the top of the screen or the top right of the login panel, and let's click on it. And you can see guys, we have been switched to the Vidon AI login panel. And to do that, you can see there is a login manually platform and a login with Google platform. If you don't want to log into your Vidon AI with your email address or your password, you have your Google account already, you can simply click on the continue with your Google or to proceed to your Vidon AI with your Google account, even though you have not yet signed up, or if you have also signed up. In any cases, it will work. Simply click on that continue with Google button and a login page to your Google account will open. And if you sign into your Google account, you will be logged into your Vidon AI account with your Google account. And with that being said guys, this was the explanation for the login with your Google account. And from over here, for a manual login, simply enter your email address with which you had created an account on the Vidon AI at the time of registration, and after that enter your password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgotten password. And with that being said, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Vidon AI account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how you sign into your Vidon text to video AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.